Add 3 to 4 cups of water depending how thick you want it. Add half a cup of hemp seed and then let it blend completely for about 60 seconds depending on how you want it. Add a pinch of sea salt. Let's put the lid on and let's blend this stuff. Get ready to blend it. Oh, sorry guys. I guess it's not on. Let me turn it on. Okay, there you go. Let's go. You can also add cocoa powder to make it chocolate. And also could add a sweetener. A couple teaspoons of those. It should be good. Get yourself a container and a drainer so you can drain all the leftovers. Stop pouring on it. You can see all that texture in there. It looks pretty cool. I like it. Also grab yourself a spoon so you can stir it and get all the liquid out. Yeah. Whatever is left over, you can either throw it away or save it. I like saving mine because, you know, I like to put it on my pancakes or muffins or even waffles. I just like that extra protein that I could add to my breakfast. Now we're all done. You can pour that back in a little container. Close it up and put it in the fridge and it's all good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and follow.